Safety dance.
Call Me Maybe.
Gangnam Style.
Let It Go.
All the single ladies.
Call Me Maybe.
What are they talking about? Their most embarrassing iPhone song, of course. We got a chance to interview some local students at West Tech. Let's see what they said.
It had to be Let It Go because I love the movie Frozen. It's my best movie ever.
Call Me Maybe. I have it because I bought it because one of my friends told me to.
Gangnam Style, all because when it first came out, all my friends used to have it, so I was like, alright, why not me get it?
Probably Safety Dance because I secretly love 80s music.
Call Me Maybe because I got it in 7th grade and my music choice in 7th grade was not great.
All the single ladies. I kind of lost my iTunes account for a while, and apparently my sister bought a ton of random music, so yeah.
That was very interesting. My name is John Watson with KCAL News.